Hi there, welcome back to our course. As we know, intercultural communication might offer us a new perspective and bring us personal gain. To improve the quality of intercultural encounters, we have to be aware of what impedes them. In this chapter, we'll talk about major intercultural communication barriers. They are emotional problems, attitudinal problems, and translation problems. In this lesson, we will first talk about one of emotional problems. Intercultural communication is not a simple process, since it does not always go smoothly. Have you experienced any intercultural interaction? How was it going? What did you feel? Let's have a look at a college student, Wang Xin's problem. The other day, Wang Xin, a sophomore in Beijing, received a text message from his friend He Lin, who is studying in America. He Lin told Wang Xin that his roommate would travel to Beijing this summer and asked whether Wang Xin would like to pick up his American friend Jerry at the airport. Wang Xin agreed to help and prepared a lot of topics. But when he met Jerry, he couldn't think of anything to talk about except for simple greetings. On the way to the hotel, Wang Xin and Jerry barely talked. The atmosphere was very embarrassing. Do you know why? In this case, both Wang Xin and Jerry felt anxious and uncertain. How do we understand these two feelings? Anxiety refers to the feeling of not knowing what one is expected to do and focusing on that feeling and not being totally present in the communication transaction. It may also affect one's ability to communicate his ideas to others. Uncertainty refers to our cognitive inability to explain our own or others' feelings and behaviors in interactions because of an ambiguous situation that evokes anxiety. After taking Jerry to the hotel, Wang Xin told his friend He Lin about the embarrassment. Wang Xin confessed that he was afraid of failure in communication with Jerry because he was unable to predict Jerry's ideas and behaviors, and consequently he chose not to talk. To Jerry, the same holds true. It is neither Wang Xin nor Jerry that is to blame in this intercultural communication failure. Everyone who is involved in whatever intercultural communication events is likely to suffer from anxiety and uncertainty. But do we have any strategy to deal with them so as to facilitate intercultural communication? If you were Wang Xin, what would you do? Our discussion board is open to any of your opinions and suggestions. With respect to this problem, Charles Berger and J. Calabrese, professors of communication, developed an uncertainty reduction theory, which can, in a way, be helpful. The essence of this uncertainty reduction theory is to gather information about the counterparts in intercultural encounters so as to predict their behaviors. This theory involves three kinds of strategies: passive strategies, active strategies, and interactive strategies. Following passive strategies, we observe the other person, either in situations where he or she is likely to change his or her behaviors to fit the situations, as in the classroom, or where he or she is likely to act more naturally, as in the stands at a football game or in a shopping mall. By using active strategies, we ask others about the person we are interested in and try to set up a situation where we can observe that person. For example, taking the same class, sitting at a table away at dinner. As we can see, the passive strategies and active strategies are monitored individually. But interactive strategies engage two-way activities. We directly gather information by asking the other person questions about himself or herself. Or we actively tell the other person what he or she does not know about us. Asking questions and disclosing ourselves encourages our counterparts to reveal something equally important about themselves to us. In this way, more direct and accurate information about our counterparts helps reduce uncertainty and accordingly reduce anxiety.